Everyone's talking about AI, but what actually is it? And why is it changing everything? From the way we work to how we live. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It means machines or software can perform tasks that normally need human intelligence. This includes understanding language, solving problems, recognizing images, learning from data, even making decisions. There are two main types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI is what we use today. It does one task really well, like ChatGPT writing or Netflix recommending shows. General AI is more futuristic, a machine that thinks, reasons, and learns like a human across any task. Why is AI everywhere now? AI exploded in 2022 and 2023 because of new breakthroughs in language models like ChatGPT and image tools like Midjourney. It's fast, affordable, and now almost anyone can use it for business, school, marketing, even art. People now have a reliable partner to lean on. The good part of AI is it saves our time, boosts our creativity, and we can get amazing things. But the bad part is we are losing jobs. There are a lot of AI tools which has taken place of human, so if you don't want to lose your work, it's high time we learn how to use AI now.